Welcome back, MADFAM 636 and beyond. This is Luck coming at you with Hero Advancement and Train Heroes Day 4 versus Double Dip. Okay, we're going to do shards later because I wanted to do that at the end of the day. However, we're going to do the Recruit Heroes now. Because it's part of... Oh. You can choose our Wish Hero. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to do Swift because I need Swift. So we're going to go over here. Can we... Oh, righty? No, it can't. So we're going to go ahead and knock this out. Hope everyone's having a madtastic day. Got our total. Wow, we got some really good shards there. Gump shards. Remember to hit like, subscribe. Go ahead and join our channel as a member. Get exclusive benefits up to having showcase videos of your squads and whatnot. Still learning how to promote all that. It's new to us, new to me. But description will be down below in the comments, not comment section, description. As we move forward. Okay. Gonna use all these shards later. Okay, we've definitely hit more than our fair share. Oh, look at that. 10 shards. Recruit 200 more times to get your Wish Hero. Okay, so this should be the same thing over here. So, I'm going to go ahead and do the, no, come on. I'm going to go ahead and do these ones. I wonder if these are counting for, nope, they are not counting. It's just that for Recruit Hero for Wish, which is really interesting. So recruit 44 more times to guarantee Legendary Hero. And I guess this is... That's interesting. Oh, I got Williams. Okay. Looking for... Oh, I got Scarlet. Okay. Those are Loki. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and blow through all these now. Got Mason and got some more Gump Shards. Sweet. Okay, Skylar. Okay. Very nice. Alrighty. That knocked it out. How many are we? We're 4-way. 1, 2. Okay, here's 10 William shards. Okay. Not bad. Can't do our free. It's okay. Sweet. Okay, let's check out our cases here. Chests. Okay, so Hero EXP is next. We're going to do skill medals and all the hero shards, including the exclusive weapon shards, before the end of day. That's kind of like what I'm trying to train myself to do and others in MADFAM, is to wait till the end of day for that. Let's go ahead and promote as far as not shards, but
explosion is.
So my first squad is all set except for Swift. We'll go ahead and ramp him up to 145. Got him squared away. Now, my next thing will be to use the EXP swap. Oh, I have to go over here to use the EXP level swap. Select the hero. I'm going to swap out Monica. And Adams. Yeah. Adam. Confirm. Sweet. Cool. And my next one I was going to do was actually Mason and Fiona. Okay. That's fine. Okay, why Mason and Fiona? Why Mason to Fiona? I've got my second squad built out with Fiona in the middle. And now we're going to get McGregor to 145.
Life is like a gamble.
145. Okay, so we've got, we get Tesla up to 145. We are going to now work on Lucius to 145. Let's go ahead and open up all our Hero EXP. Not going to worry about the shards just yet.
I am invincible.
135, that's not bad. Okay, let's go ahead and crack our last chests up. Oh, we got a hero weapon shard. Another one. Very nice. Okay. Let's take a look, see if we've got any room to put...
Join me for some training.
Yep, we sure do. Alrighty. Go ahead and crack our boxes here, our chests. Awesome. I think that's going to be our gameplay for now. See if I've missed anything. We got the Elite Recruit tickets. The weapon shard will come later. All the other shards and skill medals will come later today. How far are we? I'm going to go ahead and skill medal it up just to showcase something. So I've got Kimberly all maxed out. I've got Marshall all maxed out. I would like to get Diva all maxed out now. So we're going to put... We're going to ramp. Let's go ahead and... see if we can get all... Nope. We got her up to 25 though. Okay. We dumped all our skill medals. And I'm going to do it for the video, for video's sake. Let's go ahead and train. Whoa. Okay. So what I was saying the other day was with Mason was to... He's not on the wall anymore. But when you promote him... let me finish this up. And then Diva, Maxwell, and Ambolt. Okay, let's go to Mason.
Great ally and a close pal.
682. That should get him to 4 stars. Let's go. Sweet. Not worried about putting all the shards in just yet. Let's get McGregor to 5. Really need to get Swift
Quite the charmer.
up to... That'll get him to the 1 shard below.
Back in my youth, I was quite the charmer.
Let's do it. Got 32 more shards left to get him to 5 stars.
Commander.
Can we do it?
Is there
No,
anyone
we
you'd like
can't.
to protect?
And
then...
I will be by
Monica?
your side no matter where you lead.
Nope. And...
Please give
Get
instructions.
Sarah. Oh,
Please
man,
give
she's really
instructions.
close to getting the 4th star. Which is fine, she can suffer.
Great things start small. Officer, please give your orders. I don't like
Stand by. That's what.
I'm lucky to have
Did I miss anything?
you.
I don't want to
No.
turn into a zombie.
A real man never sheds tears.
Almost
Officer,
5 stars for
care
him.
smoke?
That's really cool. That would be my first tank. Well, nope. Gump is closer. Alrighty.
Want to grab a drink?
Exclusive weapons. Let's go ahead and upgrade her. I'm not going to use any of my exclusives at all. We're just going to let her stay there. And I think
Ready to go.
I'm going to keep... I need to get Lucius and Skylar up
How about
in...
we hit the gym?
Think first, act later.
I really want to save it for McGregor or
Back in my
Swift.
youth, I was quite the charmer.
Got 32 more shards I need. See if we can do anything. Oh, we can do our... We're going to do this a little later, and then we'll see where we're at. Maximize, achieve, dominate. We'll see you on the battlefield. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and go ahead and become a member of our channel of MADFAM. And we'll see you on the battlefield. Luck out.